equals negative b plus or minus with the square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So when if you're ever trying to do a quadratic formula, you use this equation. Take the headphones out.
Sorry, what?
Take the headphones out.
One more time.
Take the headphones out.
Chill.
Make sure you're writing this down. Review the quadratic formula. This is your equation that you plug everything into. Your equation has to equal 0. Make it to standard form. Find ABC. Substitute ABC for the numbers that you have and simplify. Get up! Let's go!
So good.
Alright, so you have your quadratic formula. I'm just going to go ahead and substitute it all in there for you. So what do you do after you get to here?
Go to
The
lunch.
parentheses.
There were steps. What were the steps?
Substitute.
You have to substitute.
We already substituted.
Go to lunch.
No. What do you do after you substitute? So obviously, b is negative 8. Okay?
Yeah.
So that's why you have negative negative. So because that's a
So
positive.
make it a positive.
But that's what it's supposed. And then a is 2. And c is negative 24.
Okay.
So we know that.
So do the stuff in the parentheses.
Why don't you do the stuff in the parentheses? So, our first equation, here's the quadratic formula. We already substituted in, so obviously that a c is negative 24. A is 2, and b is negative 8. So we substituted it all in, and now what do we have to do, Tommy?
Simplify.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how are you gonna simplify it, Tommy?
Oh. What Your turn.
Order of operations.
Order of operations.
Yeah. So what do we start with?
The parentheses.
Do you wanna come up and?
No. I have anxiety.
Me too, but let's go.
No.
Medication. Let's go.
I can't. You guys just okay. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Oh, you threw it at me.
So. So. I don't know how to do this.
Take a while.
So what are you gonna do? So negative 8 minus negative 8 is what? It's positive 8, Tommy.
All right. Oh, you. Look, I did the first part, so now you see the second part.
Well, no, just the one.
So what is it? So then you have 64.
Are they plus or minus?
Tommy, you messed it up.
Forgot the plus or minus sign.
Can you speak up? I can't hear out of this ear.
Turn your head. You forgot the plus or minus sign.
Where do I put that, Graham?
Probably in between the 8 and the square root sign.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Oh, yeah. And this isn't. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so then what is 64 plus 192? 256.
No.
56. Oh wait, sorry, almost forgot. We have to put this So we have 2 and 2, that's 4. So then you have x equals a plus or minus square root of 256. Thanks to Mr. Jackson's daughter.
Shout out to her.
Over 4, because Tommy doesn't know anything. So what do we have after that? Tommy.
What do I have to do all of it?
Tommy. What do I do next? What's the square root of 256?
Begin with.
Tell me what to do.
16. 8 plus or minus 16 over 4. And then you gotta equal it to be 2 plus or minus 4.
And is that your final answer?
No. You gotta make it 6, comma, negative 2.
But how do you get that?
Well, you see,
Choose what?
that's what I, it's 6.
Eight.
That's what I forgot.
Wait,
And then you get the minus and you do negative 2.
Yep. And then that is your final answer.
Move.
And that's the quadratic formula.